Hey guys, it's me, Carla. Excuse me. Welcome to Crafting with Carla. So today's episode is a little different than usual. Usually, I make something for myself. I practice self-care. I try to do things to help me stay interested in being alive. But today's episode, I'm actually showing you how to make something for someone else in your life, specifically your husband, or if you're not married yet, like a boyfriend, or like someone you live with, to try to help. So I actually already started making it, because it would take so long to make a video of me making it, and I didn't want to waste your time. So it's a collage as like an inspirational collage for your husband, and so it's a collection of things that you've said over and over and over and over and over and over again that he just can't seem to understand, like an adult person. So for example, when you see a red light, fucking stop. Or you can read it. Anyway, so what you do is first you start by making a list. Like, just write a list of like the things that you have to say over and over again to try to make your marriage safe for yourself, or at least reasonable, like what you expected it would be like to be married to an adult person, that just didn't actually happen for you. And then after you have your list, then just get some magazines. Whatever magazines you have are good. These are the magazines that I had handy. So I don't remember not ever receiving these. Like, I've always received these magazines. I don't think I subscribe. They just come. So like this one is a digest, so everything is like just black and white. But then this one is more a typical women's magazine, so it has color, like some nice soft pastel colors. And so what you do want a variety of magazines like this, so it makes your inspirational collage more artistic, like this black and white codependent digest. It gives you like this kind of effect. And then this typical women's magazine with soft pastel colors and different fonts gives you more like this kind of effect. Excuse me. And so actually, as I do more self-care and more work, I'm realizing more and more that these magazines don't really have the kind of empowering messages that I'm trying so hard to give myself. So you can just feel free to just rip out the pages. Just rip them out, because the codependent digest police are not going to come to your door and say, why did you rip out the pages of the magazines? They're not going to do that. You can just rip it out, and then you just cut out the words that you need to spell out the words from your list. And so what you'll discover the hard way is that some things like Stockholm syndrome is not something that you'll really see in a typical women's magazine. So you'll have to cut out the individual letters. But then there's other words like our marriage and our relationship, where you will definitely guaranteed see the entire phrase all together. And so that's a lot faster because the whole word's already there for you. And then well, after you cut it out, you just use your glue stick to put the words down. It's really easy. Excuse me. And then, like, I'm not finished yet. I still have some blank spaces here for I can put some other things. Like, if I were making this just for me, I would make it really cute with some stickers, but it's not about me. It's about him, and about helping him be the best he can be, at all expenses to myself. And so I want to keep this empty so that I can, well, not empty, but it's where I'm going to put other phrases that I think would be helpful for him. Like I'm really serious when I talk about leaving you. Please join me in therapy. I don't know, something that maybe if he reads it, maybe it will go into his head. I don't know. And so when you're finished with it, you need to put it in a place where he will definitely see it. So for my husband, that one and only place would be his computer monitor. That's the only place he looks on a consistent basis, not at me. And so that's where I will put it, and I hope nothing bad happens. So I would love to see the inspirational collages that you guys make. You can just, when you finish, you can take a picture. If you're feeling really daring, you can take a picture of wherever you hang it, like his computer screen, and post it in the comments. I would love to see it. Okay, you guys, I hope this is something that will make it like 1% better, because I don't know what else works. Okay, bye you guys.